Hi everyone, this is the fifth JavaScript principles tutorial video, and in this video we will talk about constants. What are constants and where can we use them? What are constants? Constants are special variables that we plan not change in the future in our program. So we plan to declare it once and to initialize it also once, and don't change it inside other lines of code. For example, I have a pi number, pi, it equals to 3.14, and I don't plan to change this value because it's a pi number, it's a constant. Everyone knows that it's constant. Or, for example, I have a volume of my tank and it has maximum volume because it can be changed in the future. Yeah, the tank in our car is stable in its volume, so I have a maximum volume, for example 100. And how can I understand that it's a constant, and how can another developers understand that it's a constant and they hasn't changed it? In JavaScript, old versions before 6, it's from first version of JavaScript to 5 to 5th. The method how we can explain that it's a constant was change its case style from camel case to case to style where we use just uppercase letters. What I mean this way: pi and maximum volume. It's a style using which we can explain another developers, or we can explain it for us in the future, yeah, when we return to this code, that it's a variable that is constant and don't change it because it's a constant. Yeah, actually we can change it. Yeah, we can check it. I use alert function. If I run my code, I can see that pi number now is 4 because it was changed. But I know that it's an agreement between developers to name constants using uppercased letters, and the separator will be underscore. We can use underscore in variables names. We studied it, and yes, we can use here underscore to separate different to separate several words in a variable name, and everyone understands this agreement that it's a variable that is constant. Don't change it. Okay, but you can change it, yeah? So we can have a mistake in the future if we plan to use pi number as 3.14, but another programmer change it and now it's 4, for example. Yeah, it's a big mistake. It can be an error in our code if we plan to use this value, but somebody changed it on another value. So, from the 6th version of JavaScript, it was added the special keyword const. So we can use var for simple for old variables that aren't constant, that can be changed in the code. But if it's constant, we can use const. Const is a special keyword that says it's a constant, you can't change it in the future. So it says it programmatically, so we can change it on program level, on code level. If I try to change it in the future using new equal sign to reassign the value of pi number to 4, for example, I will have a mistake, I will have an error from the code, from the program that run my code. Let's check it using run button, and we have nothing here. Our alert doesn't work. How to check that we have a mistake in our code? We can use console. We used console in the first video. You can press F12 button on keyboard, or using Chrome menu, for example, more tools and developer tools, to see console text, and we see that it's a type error. We have assignment to constant variable. I can clear this console and run again, rerun it, and I have this mistake again. I can use this advice of console, where I can see the mistakes in my code. Yeah, so this link helps me to see where I have a mistake. The number 2 says that it's on the 2 line, on the second line of my code. If I click it, I can see it. Yeah, pi equals 4, and yellow color says that in this line I have a mistake. Yep. If I delete this line and run my code, I will see that it's okay. I have no problems. I can clear my console and run my code. Yep, my console is empty. Nothing is here, not any mistakes. Okay, so if we use const keyword, we have to declare a variable and initialize it just once in this place. We can't use this code. We can't use pi is 3.14, and we can't use pi without any assignment. Here we use just one assignment. We use just one equal sign, but we can't leave our variable if it's const variable without initializing in the line where we declare it. Let's check it. Yeah, we have a mistake, and our editor says that it's on the first line and on 8th position. Yeah, unexpected token. Yeah, it's not informative for us. We can't understand what is the problem, but if I change this code to the previous state, it will be okay without any mistakes. Let's check it. Yes. So const keyword helps us to do our constant more safety than var, because var can't prevent the reassignment of our constant variable. Okay, see you in the next video. Thanks.